Hi, this is Crystal Star with iChakra's Zen Center, and today we're talking about crystals. The next stone I want to talk about is cornelian. Now this little stone right here is wonderful for your sacral chakra. There are many stones I recommend for the sacral chakra, but this is definitely one of them. This is going to bring you that passion, that spark, that beauty in your life, and it gives you that reason to wake up in the morning. When the sacral chakra creates negativity or toxic energy in your life, it can very easily create depression, anger, even violence in your life. And when that's happening, it means that this chakra is craving the same frequency that comes from this stone right here. So if you're feeling any depression, if you are showing signs of anger or violence, or you know someone who is, definitely I recommend cornelian. If you want to look up cornelian in my book, Enchanted Crystals, then you're going to turn to page 46. I'm going to read a little bit for you. Boosts energy, it gives one a sense of humor, helps one find his or her own inner strengths, will increase appetite, because your sacral chakra is definitely linked to your appetite as well. Once considered strictly the property of the noble class, and it brings confidence into your life. Now, of course, the color is that reddish-orange marbling pattern. Its element is fire, and again, the chakra is sacral. You could find this stone in India and various sites in South America. Now, for this stone, you're going to place it right underneath the belly button, above the pelvic bone, when you're meditating or even just relaxing. The best place to put all stones is on your nightstand. That is when you absorb the most information, is when you're sleeping. If you have any other questions about this little stone right here, or you have questions about depression, anger, feeling of violence and frustration, and you want to know other ways that you could cure this problem, please let me know in either an email or in the comments. Like and subscribe.